Trigonometry becomes difficult when you start to rotate the triangle. So here you've got a right angle triangle. How would you go about finding out this length here? So to do this, the C is the thing that connects the right angle with the angle. So here, the C is actually here. And the sun is always opposite of the angle. So the angle is here, the sun would be right here. The sun would be right here. And the sun always has two rays going out of away from the sun. So it's like this. And remember, you're lying on the beach here. And you're going to get a sun tan. So this is tan. And heaven's up here because the beach is here. So heaven would be up here. So you see a sine to heaven. So this is sine. And the chord jumps out of the water. The chord sounds like cos. So this will be your cos. Which is in play? This is in play. This is in play. This is not in play. So which do you use? Do you use sine, tan or cos? Well, here you start here and then you hit this length here. So you should be using sine. So to do this, it would be sine the angle equals, well, you start here, that would be 5. Follow the arrow and then you hit this length. Well, this length here is x. We're trying to work out x. Now it's just a matter of making x the subject. So times both sides by x. So x sine 67. So visualize this as one block times another block equals 5 equals this block. So to get x on its own, divide both sides by this block here. So take the 5 down and then divide sine 67 equals x. So this is your final answer. Punch this into your calculator and it should give you this length. So for this one here, the C is the thing that connects the right angle with the angle. So the C is actually here. This is your C. You're lying on the beach. The beach would be here. So you're lying on the beach here. This is you lying on the beach. And the sun is always opposite of the angle. The angle's here. Opposite of the angle would be here. So the sun would be here. You're lying on the beach, so you get a sun tan. So this is your tan here. And if you're lying on the beach here, heaven's up here. So you see a sine to heaven. So this is your sine. And the chord jumps out of the water away from the sun. So, so this will be your cos. Now, this is in play. This is in play. We're trying to work out x. So this is not in play. So you shouldn't be using sine. You shouldn't be using sine. You should be using cos. So to do this, it would be cos the angle, 70, equals, if you look at the arrow, it would be here. So which will be x. And then follow the arrow. It will hit this length here, which will be 10 over 10. So now it's just a matter of finding out x. So to get x on its own, times both sides by 10. So remember, this is just one number. This is another block and another block. So times 10 to both sides. That will be 10 times this block. Cos 70 equals x. So this is your final answer. Okay.